In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bank rules in Xero for automated reconciliation. Bank rules help Xero recognize repeating transactions and suggest the right coding automatically, saving you time and improving consistency every time you reconcile. Start on your Xero dashboard and open the accounting menu along the top navigation. From there, choose Bank Rules. This is where you'll manage and create the logic that tells Xero how to treat common bank statement lines. Select Create Rule to begin. Depending on your workflow, you'll typically make a rule for money spent or money received, OPGs. The process is the same. Just make sure you're in the type that matches the transactions you want to automate. In the Conditions area, click into the Any Text field. This tells Xero which parts of the bank statement line to look at, such as the reference, description, or payee details. Choosing any text field is a great starting point because it captures common variations you might see from your bank. Next, choose Payee, so the rule looks specifically for a name or keyword that identifies the contact. In the value box, type the text that should trigger the rule, like a supplier or subscription name as it appears on your statement. Aim for something distinctive enough to avoid false matches. If your bank abbreviates names, mirror that abbreviation here so the rule fires reliably. Set the contact so Xero automatically assigns the transaction to the correct person or organization once the rule matches. This keeps your contact history tidy and makes reporting more meaningful. Make sure the contact already exists in Xero so the match is clean. Now allocate the line items. This is where you choose the ledger account, tax rate, tracking categories, and, if needed, split the transaction into percentages or fixed amounts. For example, you might send 100% to an expense account with the correct tax treatment, or split between multiple accounts if a charge regularly includes different components. Accurate allocation is what turns a good rule into a great time saver. Give the rule a clear, memorable name so you can identify it quickly later. A simple pattern like vendor set expense type works well and helps when you review rules over time. When everything looks good, click Save. From now on, when a bank statement line contains your chosen text, Xero will suggest this rule during reconciliation. If a suggestion isn't quite right, you can adjust the rule's wording or allocation and save again. Regularly review your rules to keep them precise as vendors or descriptions change, and enjoy faster, more consistent reconciliations.